y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from the Janet collection in the Melt series. Now, I already reviewed a wig from this series, so if you want to go check that out, I will have a banner, and also I will put that in my description box below. So straight off the rip, y'all see I am not that excited about this wig like I was with the other one. But baby, at the end, she gonna eat. I promise you she gonna eat. So this is what the hairline is giving. She is considered a 13x6, but obviously she is like the other wig as well. She is not a full 13x6 where you are getting 13 along the hairline and then 6 inches back. So if you are a beginner, you do not, I repeat, you do not need to do this step. But if you got a little experience, go ahead and pull out them tweezers and let's get to plucking, because y'all already know I'm a pluck. So this part was extremely tedious. It felt like the more I plucked, there was no progress. So please be patient. Make sure you guys are pulling up a nice little album, nice little movie, something that's going to help you bypass the time of actually plucking this unit. But honestly, it probably took me like 20 minutes. But 20 minutes, just imagine if you got this out the pack and you going to work. Yeah, no, you don't have 20 minutes, okay? So what I did to pass the time was actually watch and catch up on my friends' YouTube channels. Yes, all of my girlies are YouTubers. Hey, I do have some friends that are twins. They do focus on lifestyle, and their content centers around their lives as twins. And obviously people have this preconceived notion that twins, of course, you know, they're going to be in sync, and they are. These twins definitely live polar opposite lives, but their lives both complement each other. I will link everything about them in my description box below. Their names is Deanna and Deanna. So yeah. And then also, if you are a gaming enthusiast, especially when it comes down to Sims 4 content, my girl definitely got you covered on that. I absolutely adore her town that she created. The time and effort and skill it takes to create, as far as like a play-by-play and actually a full day in the life of these Sims, is amazing. I be watching this like it's Love and Hip Hop, y'all, for real, because the Sims be having a mind of their own, and baby, it gets juicy and messy over there, okay? So yes, if you are interested in gaming content, make sure you guys go check out my girl. Her channel will be linked in my description box as well. So back to this review. Like I said, she is a tedious wig. So if you got time to pluck her, by all means, she is worth the pluck. You know that saying, trust the process. This wig is the epitome of that, and I'm so happy that I trusted it. So if you are wondering what type of texture she is a silky texture wig. So you guessed it, she will be shedding, she will be tangling. I do have my wig brush, so I can always just brush out those kinks. As y'all can see, the lace is extremely ashy, y'all. For $39, I understand. You can't ask for too much of a quality of lace, especially when this wig is under $40, so I get it. Now, don't get me wrong, I know it's some other wigs that's probably $40 and under that probably got better lace, but hey, we got to work with what we got. I'm just trying to show you guys that even though this is a frugal buy, it is definitely worth it. So you guys see, I decided to use a different type of application for that melting spray because she can get messy. So I did use a makeup brush and I dipped it and I went on and just dabbed that lace. Overall, how I am feeling about NURA, I absolutely love this color for the fall. This chocolate auburn just, it screams fall. I really love that this come pre-styled. Who got time to be sitting up there fooling with a curling iron, okay? Also, of course, that lace was a lot to disguise, but overall, I really do love this unit. I actually love this series. I can't believe I've been sleeping on the Janet collection. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button along with that bell. If you have that bell notification on, you will never miss any of my future videos. Let me know how you guys are feeling NURA in the comment section, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.